students, welcome back to maths class. In maths class, today we are going to revise all topics. Today we will do maths UT revision. So let's get started. Yes. So our first question for UT revision is straight counting. We have done counting from 1 to 250. So you have to revise counting from 1 to 250. See here in the first line there is number 111. What comes after 111? 112. Like this you will complete this series. Now see the next number. There is number given 171. And you will write here the next number of 171, that is 172. Like this you will complete this series of counting. Now see the next number is given 241. Here is given 241. Now what comes after 241? That is 242. Like this you will complete this series. And at the end of this line, you will write here 250. Write here number 250. And you have to revise counting from 1 to 250. Now, see the next question. Now you have to write here back counting. You have to learn back counting from 150 to 1. You have to complete this series of numbers that is given. Here is the number given 7070. So you have to write here what comes before 7, 6 and 0 से पहले क्या आएगा 9. So we will write here number 69. After that comes 68. Like this you will complete this series of numbers of back counting. Now see the next number is given 120. You have to write here 119 because 120 से पहले क्या आता है 119. इसमें हमने बैक जाना है. 119 से पहले क्या आता है 118. Like this you will complete the series of number with back counting. Now see the next number. Here is number given 140. Before 140 comes 139. You will complete the back counting. Okay? You have to learn back counting from 150 to 1. Now see the question number 2. So this is first part. Write number names. You have to write here number names. As we learned number names from 1 to 20 very nicely. So here is number given 5. You have to write here the spelling of 5. Number 5. Name लिखेंगे इसका कैसे लिखेंगे FIVE 5. Next number is 8. You have to write here EIGHT 8. You have to write here the name of 8. Now next is 11. You have to write here the spelling of 11 ELEVEN 11. Next number is 20. TWENTY 20. Now see the second part of this question number 2. Write numerals. You have to write here numerals for given numbers. So SEVEN 7. You have to write here digit 7. आपको यहाँ पे 7 लिखना है. Okay? FIFTWN 15. You have to write here 1 5 15. Next number is 12. You have to write here number 12. 1 to 12. Next is 19. You have to write here 19 as numeral. Okay. Now see the other question. Yes, question number 3 is what comes after. You have to write here the after numbers of given numbers. We have learnt numbers from 1 to 250. First number is given 45. You have to write here after number of 45, that is 46. Next number 196. बाद में क्या आता है 197. Next number is 96. What comes after 96? That is 97. Now 215. 215 के बाद में क्या आता है? 216. Okay, like this you will write here after numbers. Now see the next part of the question number 3. What comes before? Before mean पहले वाले नंबर. आपको पहले वाले नंबर यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. So first number is given here 9090. You have to write here before number. So what comes before 90? 89. Next number is 107. What comes before 107? That is 106. Next number is 65. What comes before 65? 65 से पहले क्या आता है? 64. Next is 241. अब सीरीज में 241 से पहले क्या आता है? 240. Like this you will complete before numbers. Now what comes between? बीच में क्या आता है? Now you have to write here between number. So number is given here 14 and 16. 14 और 16 दिया गया है, आपको उनका बीच का नंबर लिखना है. So what comes between 14 and 16? Number is 15. 14 और 16 के बीच में क्या आता है? 15. Like this you will complete all these numbers. 120 के बाद क्या आता है और 122 से पहले क्या आता है? So number is 121. You will write here. And next number is 98 and 100 is given. What comes between 98 and 100? That is 99. हम सीरीज कैसे पढ़ते हैं? 98, 99, 100. Next number is 243 and 245. What comes between the both numbers? Yes, number is 244. Like this you will complete the between numbers. Now see the next question. Now we will do addition. We will do the sums of add. Okay, see the first sum. Here is the number given 45 and 23. We will add the both numbers. How will we add? We will start the sum from the right side. आप अपने right side की तरफ से sum को start करोगे. So first number is given here 5 and second one is 3. You have to count number 5 on your finger. Firstly you will count 5 fingers on your hand. Okay, after that you will add 3 more fingers in that fingers. So now how many fingers you will get in total? You will get fingers 8. So we will write here number 8. Now in the left side there is number given 4 and 2. You have to count 4 on your finger. After that you will add more 2 fingers in it. Now how many fingers we will get? We will get 6 fingers. So we will write here number 6. Like this you will complete all the sums which we have done in the last class. And I know it, you know about addition very well. And you can do the sums of addition very nicely. Yes students, now see the book page. This is book number 3 and page number 21. Now you have to revise it. Look at the picture. Tick the one that is thick in each set. Thick mean मोटा. इसमें आपको जो चीज मोटी नजर आ रही है उसे आपको क्या करना है? टिक करना है. So see the first set. Here are 2 pencils are given. One is thin and other is thick. So you have to tick on thick pencil. So we will tick like this. In this set there is 2 rods. One is thick and other is thin. So we have to tick on thick object. So let's see the second part. Look at the picture. Circle the one that is thin in each set. अब आपको इसमें क्या करना है? जो आपको चीज इसमें thin नजर आ रही है, पतली लग रही है, आप उसको सर्कल कर दोगे. Like this you will revise this topic. Now see the topic front and back. Front means आगे and back means पीछे. I told you in the last class. Okay? So front mean आगे and back mean पीछे. Look at the pictures and circle the correct words. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? पिक्चर्स को देख के correct word के ऊपर सर्कल करना है. We can see here the front view of television. हम यहाँ पर टेलीविजन का फ्रंट व्यू देख सकते हैं. So we will circle on front word. See the next one, front or back. Here we can see back view. So we will circle on back. So students, I hope you understood how to recognize front and back views and how to circle on front and back. Hope you understood how to do front and back in your UT. Now see the table of 4 and 5. You have to learn the table of 4 and 5 for UT revision. So students, these are all the topics that you have to revise. Okay? So this is your Maths UT revision. I hope you understood all the topics. I hope you will do your UT very nicely. All the best for your UT students. Thank you. Have a nice day.